Well, everyone, we're out here at the local auction yard, and I just couldn't help myself. This is a Minneapolis Moline 4-bottom 16-inch plow. Now, the reason I wanted this plow is it is a mechanical lift plow, meaning I don't need hydraulics on any of my crawlers to lift this. So the RD4, which is a machine that does not have hydraulics, the D47U and the 5T, none of them are a hydraulic machine. So I can put this behind any of them and not have issues worrying about, am I going to be able to get the plow out of the ground? Up front here, I do have this early style reset trip. If you see these big springs in here, they put pressure on these pieces here and keep it from rotating. It can rotate, but it's got to go against spring pressure in order to do that. Looks like there actually is some grease on there. It's a little dry, but that's all right. We'll get it all greased up. There are some newer bolts in this, so that means someone was using it. All 4 coulters are there, which is good. They may need to be adjusted, but that's all right. Everything does move. The 2 bars, or your 2 handles, are both movable. Looks like someone put a John Deere return spring on it. That's definitely green and not yellow like it should be, but your rope should tie up into this eyelet up here for your mechanical trip. And being that this is a steel wheel machine, we don't have to worry about ever getting a flat tire, which is good, because I don't know if any of you have priced rubber out lately, but that's not necessarily cheap either. But I think I can take some bolts for some studs in here. I was looking at the local show, and that's how some guys were doing it to get traction on these steel wheels. And then out back we have the steel tail wheel. Everything moves, everything rotates. We're probably just going to grease it up good, and I promise you guys will see this plow, because Squatch253 plow day is coming up soon, and this will be there. So I know it's a short video. I just wanted to keep you guys kind of in the loop of what's going on, just that we picked this up. But as you can see here, it does say Moline on it. So we'll have to keep our eyes out for mold boards and shares for Molines. As you can see, these have been welded up at one time, but that's all right. They did a decent job of it, and it should work for what we need. Thanks, everyone.